How many power of attorneys should you have?
Have you planned your estate to take into consideration major life events?
Have you clearly communicated your wishes to your executor and family?
Does your family know what to do with RRSP, RRIF, and unrealized gains upon death to avoid 50% tax rate?
Hi, my name is Tom Joseph, and we are part of the Tom Joseph team. And we've been helping buyers, sellers, and investors for the past 31 years. Over time, we have learned that it's not the decisions that you make with real estate and estate that happens right now. It's what really happens in the future that affects the decisions you make. So I'm excited to invite you for a free information session happening October 29th on Wednesday at 7 p.m.
We are thrilled to be joined by two incredible guest speakers. One, Mr. Alan Cameron, a senior family wealth advisor who will share expert financial planning insights, including smart savings and tax-efficient strategies for homeowners and investors. And Marlenne Dose, lawyer at Dose Law, who will walk us through the essentials of wills, a power of attorney, and estate planning, so you can make sure your home and assets are properly protected.
Absolutely. It's really important to get a clear understanding of your options and answers to questions that most people don't know to ask.
Whether you're a homeowner planning to buy, sell, or invest, understanding how to protect your assets is essential. Many homeowners ask us, what happens to my property when I pass away? Should I add my spouse or children to the title? How can I reduce taxes when transferring or selling real estate? And what's the best structure for owning multiple properties? This webinar is designed to answer those questions and give you strategies you can actually apply.
Yeah, actually, which is true, we helped recently one of the parent, having their daughter added to their title too.
Yes.
And of course, all of this planning ties directly into what's happening in today's real estate market. September was an active month in the Greater Toronto real estate housing market. Home sales were up 8.5% year over year. Buyers were motivated. Compared to last year, monthly mortgage payments have come down by approximately $700 a month. There's also a wider selection of properties for people to choose from. We recently helped one of our clients move up from their condo, and they were able to purchase a bigger home, freehold townhouse for their growing family with a backyard without actually increasing their monthly payments. Overall, it is a market of opportunity for both buyers who've been waiting on the sidelines and homeowners who are planning their next move.
Yes, we had a couple of buyers who took advantage of this market.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And $700 is a huge saving per month.
It is. It makes a difference.
Yeah, it's a lot, yeah. So at the end of the day, estate planning is not just for the wealthy. It's for everyone like us who wants to plan their future and have clarity. So we are inviting you to a free webinar at 7 p.m. on Wednesday, the 29th of October. Please send us your questions on these topics so we could have answers at the webinar. Please send it to tom@tjnteam.com or call us at 416-931-0534. Thank you.
Thank you.